is Japan, rebuild of Evangelion.
ACM winning uncountable religion, uncountable meta anti-self, of the religion for inscribing into style. 所詮ゼロ号機と初号機は開発過程にプロトタイプとテストタイプけどこの2号機は違うわ。これこそ実践用に作られた世界初の本物のエヴァンゲリオンなのよ。正式タイプにね。さあ、私の見事な操縦目の前で見せてあげるわ。出力最大いけー見てなさい。どうや戦いは常に無駄なく美しくよ。私が止めてみせるわ。覚悟しなさいよね。チェストーエンジンフィールド全開。これで逃げちゃダメだ。逃げちゃダメだ。逃げちゃダメだ。逃げちゃダメだ。逃げちゃダメだ。逃げます。僕が逃げます。出力最大。AT フィールド全開。初号機活動限界です。予備も動きません。動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け動け今動かなきゃ。今やらなきゃみんな死んじゃうんだ。もうそんなの嫌なんだよ。誰も動いてよ。 あなたは死なないわ。私が守るもの。
Alright, once again, that's Team Japan. Come on, make some noise for them. Alright, can we have Team Japan? Alright, so you come closer to the edge of the stage. Okay, come closer to the edge of the stage for the judges as well as our media to have a closer look. And remember, okay, whatever you see on stage today is is in fact all influenced from the origins themselves, which is from Japan. Alright, how about giving a big nice applause? This is from Japan. Alright, itself a culture that is being adopted all around the world with all this really fabulous subculture stuff that we see. Alright, looks like it's all going to be very, very close. Thank you very much, Team Japan. Okay, you may take a break backstage.